Welcome to our channel Zama Cartoons.
Hello kids! Today we will learn emotions and feelings with fun emojis. Let's start together.
Happy. Happy. Excited. Excited.
Yes! Yes!
Joyful. Joyful. Proud. Proud.
Hang. Hang.
Loved. Loved.
I love you.
Caring. Caring.
Yes! Yes!
Kind. Kind. Come. Come. Relaxed. Relaxed.
Yes! Yes!
Confident. Confident. Curious. Curious. Hopeful. Hopeful.
Oh, wow! Hang.
Brave. Brave. Playful. Playful. Thankful. Thankful.
Thank you.
Sad. Sad. Angry. Angry.
Oh, no!
Upset. Upset.
Ah! Ah!
Hurt. Hurt. Lonely. Lonely. Nervous. Nervous. Shy. Shy.
Oh, wow!
Scared. Scared. Afraid. Afraid. Worried. Worried. Bored. Bored. Tired. Tired. Sick. Sick. Confused. Confused. Embarrassed. Embarrassed.
Oh, wow! Hey!
Jealous. Jealous. Surprised. Surprised. Quiet. Quiet. Shocked. Shocked.
Oh, wow! Hey!
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.